See, we'll see the next numerical. See, read this. An object of size 7 centimeters is placed at object size is 7 centimeters. So h I have put 7 centimeters. Okay, height. So h is equal to 7 and is placed 27 centimeters in front of a which mirror? Concave mirror. Okay, so f will be in the left hand side. Of the focal length is 18 centimeters. So f is equal to minus 18 and this one u is equal to minus 27. It's clear, I think. Same format only. See, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to get a sharp image, size and nature? What we have solved now, the same pattern, so I have just solved it. Okay. So all these things we should write and then we should put the formula 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f and then we should substitute all the values here, then you will get minus 54 you are getting and then you should also check the size and nature of the image. So m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u is the formula we have studied for that. When you are substituting that, h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. Okay, we got is minus 54, so we have put like this and h is equal to h dash is equal to what? Minus 54 by minus 27 into 7. 54 by 27 it will be 2. 2 into 7 is 14. So, what image will you get? Minus 14 centimeters. B is equal to minus 14. So, what we have given here is a concave mirror. Okay. So, minus 14 if you are getting, B is equal to minus 14 means somewhere this side you will be getting. Okay. It's the next numerical. An object 3 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters. This is also a concave mirror. 10 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20. So focal length concave mirror, so it is minus 20. Height is 3 centimeters. Same like that, no? U is equal to minus 10. And if you are putting the formula 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f, what is that? Mirror formula. Okay, keep this in mind. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Should remember every time. So if you want to find v, then 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. You will substitute the thing, you will get v is equal to 20 centimeters. We know that the formula, magnification formula is m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. So I have put this inside. I have told you many times that whenever a formula comes, you should put inside a box. When you substitute like this, minus 20 by minus 10, you will get 2. 2 into 1 is equal to, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the image formed will be 6 centimeters. So it will be in front of the mirror or it will be behind the mirror. It's plus V. So it is behind the mirror. Okay. See the next numerical. An object 4 centimeter in size. Okay. Object height is 4 centimeters. Is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters in front of a convex mirror. Okay. The mirror what we are using is a convex mirror. Okay. Object size is 4 centimeters. So I have written h is equal to 4 centimeters and the distance, that is u is equal to minus 25. Even if it is a convex mirror, u will come this side, no? So it is minus 25 and radius of curvature is 40 centimeters. Find the position, size and nature of the image. Okay. So first we should write it down all those things. Then the formula as usual 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. We are working out to get v. No. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. We will put the substitute the values here. We will get 9 by 100. 1 by v is equal to 9 by 100. So v is equal to 100 by 9. We will get 11.11. Okay. So this is v. So getting this value v, we can get what? M is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. That is also very important. M is equal to magnification is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. If you substitute this, no, h dash is equal to minus v by u into h, you will get this value. Work it out, okay? Solve the problem and if you have any problem is an object is placed at a distance of 8 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. See, it is placed in front of a concave mirror, 8 centimeters distance. So, u is equal to minus 8. Focal length is 10 centimeters. So, f is equal to minus 10. Find the nature and also draw the ray diagrams. So, you are writing everything, all the values. Then you will put the mirror formula. 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by f. From this you will get 1 by b. If I want to get, how will you write this? This no need to put it inside the box. I have just put it to show it to you that it's very important. Okay, only this is enough. So 1 by b is equal to 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by minus 8. So you will get this and you will get the value as 40. So the image formed is 40 centimeters behind the mirror. This is one way of asking. See, they have also asked find the nature and also draw the ray diagram. Okay, so it's a concave mirror. So you will draw a concave mirror. You should show all the values here. See, C, F and P we have taken. Then an object is kept at a distance of 8 centimeters. So that is U. Okay, so U is equal to 8 centimeters. Then focal length is 10 centimeters. So F is equal to 10. So this portion, no? From P to F is small f. So this is F is equal to 10 centimeters. So these two are minus. So you will not show it here as minus, but when you are solving the problem, when you are solving the numericals, you can take it like that. Okay, don't put here minus and all. You will just put the value. So if you extend like this, you will get, this is the which ray diagram, do you remember? Yes, 6th ray diagram. Okay, you will get an image like this. What kind of image it is? Virtual image, and the distance from P to this image. This is the image. P to this image is called as V. So it is mentioned as 40 centimeters. So it's a virtual image. Okay. We'll see few more numericals. See, an object 2 centimeters high. So height. Okay, height of the object is 2 centimeters. Is placed at a distance of 16 centimeters. U is equal to 16. Which mirror? Concave mirror. So automatically U is equal to minus. Okay, so in convex also U always it is minus. Because what's the reason? We have studied that always it should be placed on the left hand side of the mirror. Okay, which produces a real image. See, a real image is formed. 3 centimeters height. Oh, image height also they have given. See, H and H dash. So both we got it. Okay, H is equal to 2 centimeters. H dash is equal to 3 centimeters. As it is a real image, we are putting it as minus. Okay, as it is a real image, we are putting it as minus. U is equal to minus 16. Because the distance is 16 centimeters. As it is a concave, it is minus 16. So we have taken all these things. We know H, H dash, U. We don't know F and V. We don't know F and V. Okay. So according to the formula what we have studied, we will be able to solve. But now without knowing V and F, how will we do? See, the formula is H dash by H is equal to minus V by U, that we know. From this we will try to. See, V is equal to, if we want to find V, V is equal to minus U, H dash by H. See, from this we are taking this formula. Okay. Usually they will not ask. In case if they ask, you should be able to answer. So if they have given only these many values, and if it is not given, which one F and V is not given, we can use this formula. H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. So V is equal to minus U by H dash by H. Okay, minus U into H dash by H. So V is equal to minus U is equal to 16 into minus 3 by 2. Okay, minus 3 by 2, you will get minus 24 centimeters. So we got V. Now V is equal to minus 24 centimeters. 1 by V plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. We know the formula. Then now we should find F also. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by v. Same thing, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Same way, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by minus 16 plus, what is v? We have found minus 24. So if we take the LCM, 48 will be the LCM, minus 3 into minus 3 minus 2 by 48. You will get minus 5 by 48. F is equal to 1 by f is equal to this much. So f is equal to, you should come this one. This will come up and that will come down. So 48 by 5. So the answer is this one. Okay. What they have asked, what is the focal length? Okay. So focal length is equal to 9.6. Concave means actually it will be like this. So focal length is this portion. No, this is how many? Minus 9.6. Can I put minus here? No, don't do that. Okay. 9.6 centimeters. As it is a concave mirror, I am taking it as what? Minus, but I can't show it here. Okay, clear I think. Practice it one more time. Okay. So the last problem in mirror. Okay. How far should an object be placed? Oh, we don't know the object itself now. See, how far should an object be held from a concave mirror? Okay, concave mirror. What mirror is used? Concave mirror. Of focal length they have given. Focal length is equal to 40 centimeters. As it is a concave mirror, F will come here. So automatically we know that F is equal to this place. So F is equal to minus 40. So as to get an image magnified 3 times. The image is 3 times magnified. That also means, so M is equal to 3. Okay, 3 times magnified they have given. So we have taken it as 3. 3 times magnified. So what we are keeping in U, know that 3 times. Listen. U also we don't know. So the formula we have studied is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. We are not using that formula because we don't know. We know only f. Okay. So m is equal to how much? 3. But we also know m is equal to v minus u. V minus u. V by u. Okay. M is always v by u. How? Height of the what? Image by height of the object. Right? So magnification they have given 3. 3 is equal to v by u. So if we take v value, v is equal to, we should take like this 3u. Cross multiplication. You know that I think. V is equal to 3u. So v we have found now. V is equal to 3. But we don't know, it is a concave mirror. Okay, concave mirror, 6 positions we have studied. If we are getting 3u, v is equal to 3u. Okay, somewhere here. It may come here or it may come here. V is equal to 3. So 2 options are there. It may be plus or it may be minus. We will see both. Okay, if the image form, they have not given whether it is a real image or virtual image. See, they have not given. In case if they have given, we can stick to that, but it is not given. So what we will do? We will write both the options. If the image formed is real, v is equal to plus 3. Right? The image formed, if it is real, v is equal to plus 3 or minus 3? Okay. So v is equal to plus 3. So v is equal to, we will change it, okay? This one virtual and this one real. So both the cases we will do. If it is v is equal to minus 3, this side if it comes, if it is plus 3, okay? So if it is minus 3, what happens? This we will see first. If it is minus 3, we will put the value same like that. What is the thing we have studied? Which formula? What is the which formula? 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. V is equal to minus 3 we have taken. Okay. V is equal to minus 3. So in the place of V, listen carefully, in the place of V, we should put minus 3. Okay, why I have put 3u? 3 times the image of, 3 times magnified, see. The image is magnified 3 times. 3 times of what? Object. Okay, 3 times of object. So minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by 40. If you take the LCM, 3u you will get minus 1 plus, this is 1u, this is 3u. So 3 times you will multiply. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 40. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. 2 by 3u is equal to minus 1 by 40. Minus 3u is equal to, these two cross multiplication is equal to 80. U is equal to minus 80 by 3. U is equal to this much you will get. Okay. In case if it is minus 3. If we take it as plus 3, what happens? See, if we take it as plus 3, in the place of minus, you will put only 3. 1 by 3u, no other changes. Here we have taken minus, here we have taken plus. Okay, here we have taken it as plus. 3u plus 1 by v is equal to this much. So, if we take the same way, we will get the answer minus 53.33 centimeters.